Okay, good afternoon. Actually, let me just check something. Yeah, it would help if I faded that across. So, good afternoon. It is Monday, the 25th of March 2024, and the time just before 1 p.m. You're very welcome along well, at this point, we're nearly 2 years into the investment journey. This is year one, week 51 of what will be roughly an 8 year investment journey. And yeah, as you can see, the last little while the market has been trending up. Today it is down about 0.5%. As you can see, all the other figures there still in green. So even with that, relative to this day last week, it's still up 1.75%. So as things stand, currently the market is open. Current portfolio value just shy of £14,900, and current return on investment just a little over 20%. Guys, let's have a look at the notifications this week. Axum Therapeutics up 6% as sleep disorder therapy shows promising signs. Direct Line drops 12% as rival Aegeus abandons takeover pursuit. Lululemon Athletica drop 14% as weak outlook undermines investor confidence. Nike down 6% on weaker sales forecast. And then there's some news about the Easter holidays in terms of which markets will be closed and when. So just to run through that, the 29th of March, I assume that's Good Friday, all markets closed. And then you've got 30th would be the Saturday, 31st would be the Sunday. And yeah, then so obviously then Easter Monday, the 1st of April, all European markets closed. So a couple of days there where there's not going to be much happening. If you would normally expect to see a tail off in trading on a Friday, where some investors don't like to hold stocks over the weekend, we may see that brought forward to Thursday this week. And it's particularly likely, more likely perhaps than it would be otherwise, because of the fact of the closure of European markets, at least, all from basically Thursday evening right through until Tuesday morning. So there's about a good 4 days in total of closures due to the holidays there, and obviously any news that would be hitting any of those companies, the market isn't going to be able to react as it is closed until it reopens on the Tuesday, and that is enough to make some people nervous, and certainly those people who only like to do short-term trades. I would expect, or at least I would not be surprised to see a pullback on Thursday afternoon. Right, guys, with that said, with the notifications done, let's go ahead and hit the buy button. As you know, if you follow the channel, I put in a weekly investment of £120 each and every week. And the stock that we're buying is the S&P 500 exchange traded fund. I use the Vanguard one that's offered on Trading 212. As you can see today, that is going to buy us roughly 1.5 shares. The part of the reason as well for using Vanguard is that historically they are one of the what is Vanguard? It's not a platform. It is I suppose it's an exchange It's an ETF provider. It's an exchange traded fund provider. And historically, Vanguard has been observed to be one of the providers with the lowest costs for trading, and I think that is and the lowest management costs as well. So that is a big plus. If you actually look at the reality in terms of the actual charges to a portfolio over a length of time, management fees can be a significant break on the portfolio over a length of time whenever you compound everything up. So that's why it's important that with Vanguard being one of the ones that charges the lowest fees, the lowest management fees on an ongoing basis, that maximizes your portfolio's potential to grow. So guys, that investment has gone through, the transaction has gone through, there is the execution there. We got 1.53 shares. VUSA is just simply the ticker that is used to refer to Vanguard S&P 500. This particular one, priced in pounds, on Trading 212. And the figures have updated here, so currently just sitting shy of £15,000. If things don't change too much, next week on the 2-year anniversary of this experiment, we will be crossing the 15,000 threshold. Yeah, just to say to you guys, if you are interested in investing, currently for the next 22 days, there is a free shares offer available. You will see the details of that if you look in the description for this video. There's a link there which you can follow, and if you do agree with what's proposed, so basically it involves opening your own account on Trading 212, funding it and investing in something of your choice. If you do that using the link in the description for the video, we can both get a free share worth up to £100, I think is the stipulation. Now, at the same time as I say that free share offer is available, I do not want anyone to run in and use the link and sign up in the next 5 minutes without fully understanding what you're getting into. I feel that could be detrimental. At the end of the day, you have to understand that investments can fall as well as rise. You could get back less than what you have invested, particularly if you don't know what you're doing. Really, if that's who you are, if you're not really sure about investments, or if you haven't done enough research to be able to explain to somebody else why you feel you should put money into XYZ company, then please don't bother, because the last thing I want is to have on my conscience that somebody lost money in an effort to take up a free shares offer. On the other hand, if you would have been opening your own account anyway, then by all means, yes, please go ahead and make use of that link, because you'll benefit both of us. You'll get some free shares, and so will I. So guys, with that said, that is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. And I will be back next week, of course, with more. And as I say, next week will be the 2-year anniversary on the channel, and I'm not too sure yet, really, what I can do, or what I want to do to mark that occasion, if you see what I mean. But I'll have a think. I'll see what I can come up with. And guys, in the meantime, thanks for your support. I see we have one further subscriber, which brings us to a total of 16 people subscribed to the channel following the journey. And do you know what? It's not a massive surprise. I don't put any effort into promoting the channel, and it is quite simply for people to find it and subscribe if they're interested, or not if they're not. I would always be interested to know what you think. If you've got any feedback about what could be done better, or what you would like to see more of, or that kind of thing. So if you've got any feedback for me, please put it in the comments. And thanks for watching. Have a great end to your Monday, and see you at some point next week.